Hello! After working for the past 5 years together to bring you the Integrative Education Symposium, Heather Schmidt and myself, Dawn Paulson, this year are so excited to be presenting our very own course. The course is called Supporting Regulation with 123 Reset, Embedding a Trauma-Sensitive Framework into the Classroom, and it will be held on Thursday, February 1st. We can't wait to share with you all that we have been thinking about and developing over the past couple of years related to this course. In it, we will explore the 5 principles behind Reset: relationship, environment, self-regulation, empowerment, and task. And we will also be showing and sharing with you our 8-week lesson plan that goes along with it.
Hi, Heather Schmidt here. I do hope that you join us for this training. We're super excited to share all of the resources with you. We have 38 unique handouts that we've created in our 123 Reset guidebook that is part of your course registration. And really our goal with this program and with the handouts is for things to be practical, things to be easy to implement, easy for teachers to understand, and that's really what we're finding with doing this program with our schools that we support. So the course is for school-based therapists primarily, but really any therapist who is looking to understand and implement a trauma-sensitive framework into their practice is going to benefit from this course. I hope you join us on February 1st. Head over to Integrative Education's website to get registered.